It's your boy. We back again. Tune on 24s, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. This a brand new video. We here at my boy's shop. Y'all been asking me on Offer Up, man. It's called Super Sport Restorations. He ain't got the sign yet, but it's coming soon. And we here and we doing it like this, man. Bring y'all in, get y'all to it. Motor work. Used motors you want redone, brand new motors you want dropped in. Come holler at your boy, man. We here. We don't just do G bodies, it's all bodies. We got the box Caprice over here. The same Monte Carlo y'all was asking about on my Offer Up. It's still for sale, it's still here. Drop a comment if you're still interested. Transmission work, old and new. Got the brand new lifts in here. KJ, can you shout out the address, please?
447 West Walking Street.
447 West Walking Street, Phoenix, Arizona. Couple Caprices, 225. Juice and a quarter, they call it. Real old school, real history right here. Another G body, Malibu. Y'all know where to come. Come on in here. Ain't even gotta, you know what that is. You know what it is. Dual electric fans, double batteries, brand new headlights. Come in the background. Y'all see that right there? Everything flushed out. Ready for everything new. This is an old Monte Carlo right here, right? Yeah, this is a real old. Y'all see it, man. Y'all want y'all work done right. Y'all know where to come. See my boy KJ. I'm gonna drop the phone number in the comments so y'all can get the business line number. Y'all can always call, leave a message. Damn, leave a text. You know what I'm saying? You see them over here, they're working good right now. Brand new lifts. Nice and clean, beautiful. So y'all know where to come, man. This is where it's at. This is what y'all been asking me about. This is what y'all been asking for. What's the price on this Monte Carlo CL? We still going for 55. Is that what everything? Is that what everything?
10-5.
10-5 with everything. Let's give them one more overall review so they can stop asking me. 10-5 with everything. Give them going, give them another good walk around real quick. It ain't gonna hurt. T-tops, that's what y'all been wanting. Y'all been asking me about a lot of damn T-tops, man. Let me tell y'all this right now. It's not a lot of T-tops left. People are keeping these cars. Y'all not understand. If y'all not buying them when they post it, you not gonna get one. Let's be for real. Like, y'all keep asking me on offer up about T-top Montes. That's all y'all want. It's not gonna happen. And it's not my fault because y'all waiting, taking y'all time to buy what y'all really want. If you see it, go get it. You only live once, man. So even if it's not what you want, even if it's not a Super Sport SS or whatever, come get you something that you can still use and still utilize to make it look like what you want. I don't care if you bootlegged it and put an SS front on the front of this. You still got similar to what you want, man. Do what you can, man. Do what you can. Stay in your budget range. Don't let people tell y'all that you need to pay this much and this much. You can still build around what you want, man. Do what you can. Come on, man. This is a good startup. This is a good startup. When y'all see it in person, y'all gonna say the same thing. As y'all see in this shop, there's a lot of hard top Montes in here. Ain't no T-tops in here. Ain't no T-top Montes in here. You know why? Because everybody keeping on. I've been trying to tell y'all for the longest, man. Y'all be asking me and I appreciate all the love, all the comments, all the support. But I'm going to keep it real with y'all at the same time, man. You got to do what you can, man. That's the name of this game. Do what you can. Just because the next guy spent $10,000 on 4 Giottos, you gonna go do the same thing? Do what you can, man. Over here, we got a paint and body man. We got a tune-up man, my man Trey over there. We got a tune-up man. And an audio man. So basically, you damn near coming to a one-stop shop. Holla at my boy KJ, man. He will get you together. All these cars ain't in here for nothing. He's doing his thing. I'm telling y'all.